Hello my dear student. Today we're going to talk about comparing and ordering integers, okay? Let's start with the number line. That's the number line. In the middle we have the 0, okay? Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. So the number that we have in the right side are positive number. So all numbers in the right are positive number, okay? When we move right, we move from the small number to the big number. So when we move right, we move on the positive side and we move from the smallest to the greatest, right? But in the left side we have negative number. In the left side we have negative number, okay? Start from -1, -2, -3, -4 and so on, okay? But be focused on that. -1 is the biggest number in the negative numbers, okay? So when we move left, we move on the negative side and we move from the biggest number to the smallest number, okay? Let's know these remarks. Integers are all positive and negative whole numbers. So all integers are positive and negative whole numbers, okay? And we said that when we move right, we move for the big number, and when we move left, we move for the small number, okay? Don't forget. Okay. Open your booklet, page 350, okay? I put here the number line to help us, okay? So let's remember together. We know that in the middle we have the 0, and when we move right, we move on the positive side and we move from the smallest to the greatest number. And in the left side we have negative number. In the left side we have negative number. In the negative number we move from the biggest number to the smallest number, okay? Let's see the first question. Replace each circle with less than or more than, okay? Let's see question number 1. Here we have 17 and 31. Come on, let's think together. Which number are bigger? Which number is bigger here? 17 or 31? Yeah, of course, 31 is the bigger. Okay. Number 2. Here we have -6 and -10. Let's use the number line. -6 here and -10 here. We know that we start from the biggest to the smallest. So -6 more than -10 because we reach -6 before -10, right? So -6 greater than -10. Number 3, 9 and -8. Here we have 9, alright, and here we have -8. We know that when we move right, we move to the big number. So of course 9 greater than -8. Okay, question number 4. Here we have negative and negative, okay? And we know that when we have small negative number, it's bigger than the big negative number. Here we have 83 and here it's 38. Okay, in the negative the small negative number is the big one. Okay, be focused on that. All right, let's see the next question. Order each set integers from least to the greatest. So here we want from you to order this number from the small number to the big number. Okay, question number 5. Here we have 9, negative 5, negative 13, negative 8, and 1. Okay, we want to order from the small to the big. Okay, so of course this positive number is the greatest one. Okay, and here we have positive 1, so 1 and 9, ignore it now. Let's focus on the negative. Okay, the big negative number is the smallest number, so here negative 13 will be the first number. Then we have negative 8 and negative 5. Negative 8 big number, so it's the smallest number, so negative 8 will be 2. Then negative 5, and here we have the positive 1 and 9. Of course 1 smaller than 9, so it will be 4, and the 9 will be the last number. Let's see if what we said is correct or not. Yeah, very good. Let's see the next question. Order each set of integers from greatest to the least. So here we want to order the numbers from the big number to the small number. We answer question number 7, okay? Here we have negative 54, 7, negative 8, negative 14, 9, and negative 33. Okay, he wants from you to order from the greatest number. Alright, so of course we will ignore the negative now and we will look for the positive number. Here we have 7 and 9. Of course 9 greater than 7, right? So 9 will be the first number, then 7 will be the second. Okay, let's focus on the negative number. We know that the smallest negative number is the big one. So here it's negative 54, negative 8, negative 14, and negative 33. So negative 8 will be the biggest one. It will be number 3. And now we have negative 54, negative 14, and negative 33. So negative 14 will be the biggest. It will be 4. Then the last two numbers, negative 54 and negative 33. Negative 33 is bigger than negative 54, so it will be 5, and the last one would be 6. Let's see if what we said correct or not. Solution. Yeah, very good. Okay, your homework, page 351, from questions from 11 to 16. Then you will answer question number 20 and question number 21. Okay? And now we finish our session. So goodbye and see you next time. Bye.